Problem number 2. If 15c to r minus 1 equals to 15c to r plus 4. Okay. See, NCR equals to NCS. NCR equals to NCS. Then N equals to R plus S. So NCR 15c to r minus 1 equals to 15c to r plus 1. So it is in the form of NCR equals to NCS. Then N equal to R plus S. That means, see the question, 15c to r minus 1 equals to 15c to r plus 4. So NCR equals to NCS. Then N equals to R plus S. 2r minus 1 is the R plus 2r plus 4. Now find the value of R. So 15 equals to 2r plus 2r is 4r. Minus 1 plus 3 is, minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. 15, 3 transpose to left side minus 3 equals to 4r. So 15 minus 3 is 12. 12 equals to 4r. So 12, 4 transpose to left side divided by 4 equals to r. Therefore 4 3 times r equals to 3. R equals to 3. Second one, same concept. NCR equals to NCS. 12c r plus 1 equals to 12c 3r minus 1. Same, N equals to, so 12 equals to r plus 1 plus 3r minus 5. N equals to r plus s. So 12 equals to r plus 3r is 4r. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. 12 minus 4 transpose left side plus 4 equals to 4r. So 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 equals to 4r. So 4 how many times? 4 times. So 4 equals to r.